Otter is an app on your phone. I use this all the time to transcribe things. I transcribed half of my book this way. It's a free service. You get, I think, like 600 minutes a month where you can transcribe things. So if you want to transcribe a training someone else is doing, if you want to speak into it and transcribe something, if you need to transcribe notes for a client, you can do that. It saves you a ton of time. And Rev is a paid service. So Rev is when, if you're doing a training and you want to transcribe that for your people to have it as well in a document transcribed, because it can be like an added bonus for some people. Some people like to read. And so if you want to transcribe it, but you want to make sure it's like really accurate, use Rev. They charge per minute of recording to transcribe. They actually have someone like reviewing it. Otter, because it's just an app, like sometimes it'll get words wrong and you can't just like take it 100% as whole. You do have to review it. Rev, you will be much more comfortable with being able to just take that and go and share it.